Hey, I have a tip for you today. Magnesium. Now, I'm not suggesting you take a rock, although this is magnesium, but I am suggesting that you have it on hand for helping to regulate your responses to stress. It's critical for brain health. As it helps the body to actually regulate, or I should say the brain regulate a lot of the neurochemistry. So have it around. And no, I didn't make any essential oil suggestions because your brain is unique to you. It's been under the influence of environmental development, and I don't necessarily mean chemicals, but just exposure to so many different things since you were conceived. On April 30th, I have a workshop, Detox Your Cells and Align with Healing, where I actually give you the tools to learn how to do this, which includes essential oils. In fact, when you sign up, you receive 12 months of replays. You also get 1 month free into the Aromatherapy and Beyond Bed and Bath membership, as well as 30 minutes with me for a comprehensive consult.